Hello friends,
I'm Monali.
I am Nisika. Hope you are fit and fine.
Today we are going to make a short conversation in English.
Let's start.
Hi Nishika,
Hi Monali.
how are you?
I am fine. Thank you. How are you?
I'm so. Where are you coming from?
I am returning from my friend's house. And you?
I am returning from my English tuition.
Let's talk for a while.
Oh, sure.
How are you doing with your studies?
It's going good. And I hope that you are also doing well.
Yes, but now schools are closed. So there is no pressure of study.
Yes, students are losing their interest in study.
You are right. So I think that government should open schools immediately.
Yes, I also think so. It will be good.
Okay, bye. I am late for home.
I am also getting late. More when we meet again. Bye bye.
Bye. Hope you have enjoyed the conversation.
Please do like, comment and share. Love English.
English
English
will
will
love
love
you.
you.